We spread across the room and we're going to give our name and what event we are participating in. Dance, that's right. The dance team is having their spring show on February 20th. And you're going to come out and give a short presentation of what it's going to be like? Oh, I guess not, but February 20th.
My name is David. I am in Reader's Theater.
My name is Shaylee. I'm in Reader's Theater and One Act.
I'm Maggie. I'm in Reader's Theater and One Act, and David wanted to thank Daniel for putting the drums for him.
I'm Erica. I'm in Reader's Theater and One Act. Kelsey, Reader's Theater and One Act. I'm Jenna. I'm in Reader's Theater and One Act. I'm Leslie, and I'm in Reader's Theater and One Act.
I'm Rachel. I'm in One Act and an ensemble piece with Ella. I'm Kennedy, and I'm in Reader's Theater.
I'm Ella, and I'm in an ensemble acting piece with Rachel and One Act.
I'm Lila. I'm in Reader's Theater and One Act.
I'm Avery. I'm in One Act and Reader's Theater.
I'm Gianna, and I'm in Reader's Theater.
I'm Caitlin, and I'm in ensemble acting with Ava, Kira, and Elizabeth.
I'm Ava, and I'm in ensemble acting.
I'm Elizabeth, and I'm in ensemble acting and Reader's Theater.
I'm Kira, and I'm in ensemble acting.
I'm Jalen, and I'm in TV News.
I'm Ella Deaver, and I'm in TV News.
I'm Marley, and I'm in TV News.
I'm Addison, and I'm in TV News.
I'm Ariana, and I'm in TV News.
I'm Macy, and I'm in TV News and Group Improv.
I'm Claire, and I'm in improv.
I'm Hannah, and I'm in Group Improv.
I'm Hannah, and I'm in group improv.
Thank you. As always, I want to thank the drum line for helping us with this today, and I also forgot to mention, last but not least, I do want to thank the pep band for all of their time they put in at our events. Really helps with the atmosphere in this place, so thank you for your time for that.
Okay, real quick. So yes, we are a state speech, and these guys have worked hard. They go tomorrow to Decorah, which is just a short little 2+ hour jaunt, so that's good. But we don't have an 8 a.m. performance. We have our first one at 11, so we don't have to leave until 8 a.m. instead of leaving at 4 a.m. So that's a really good thing. I just want to say huge congratulations to these guys because they worked really hard, and several of them, as you heard, are in 2 events that are at state speech, which is awesome. We have 2 freshman groups going and 4 varsity groups going, so that is very exciting, and congratulations to all of you. Do your best tomorrow, have a lot of fun, enjoy being live at competition instead of doing this by video like we did last year. And then now I do want the speech people to stay and take a couple pictures, so don't disappear. Is everybody else back to X Block? Head back to X Block, thank you.